Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to place a combined or accumulator bet on Betano step by step. This is a great way to increase your potential winnings by combining multiple selections into one ticket. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Betano app or website. Log in to your Betano account. Make sure you've deposited funds before placing any bets. Step 2. Browse sports and select events. Head to your favorite sports section, like football, basketball, or tennis, and start picking the matches you want to bet on. Step 3. Add selections to your bets. Add selections to your bet slip. Tap on the odds for each event you want to include. Each selection will automatically be added to your bet slip at the bottom of the screen. Step 4. Select the combined option. Once you have at least 2 selections, look at your bet slip. Betano will automatically offer you the option for a combined or multiple bet. This also means the license must win for you to receive a payout. Step 5. Enter your stake. Type in the amount you want to wager. You'll see the potential payout calculated instantly. Step 6. Place the bet. Tap Place Bet to confirm. You'll get a confirmation message and your bet will appear under My Bets. Tip: all your selections must be successful to win a combined bet. If even one loses, the entire bet is lost, so choose wisely. And that's it. You've successfully placed a combined bet on Betano. If this guide helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.